Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I love when people make things so much easier for us, just like this box anchor from Better Boat.
This anchor is so thoughtfully designed because all you have to do is open it up and then secure the locking pin into the side in order to keep it opened. And then it has a anchor arm with bow shackle, so that makes it nice because then you don't need an anchor chain. And so whenever you want to go to use it, all you have to do is just clip on the rope that you're going to use. And even though the anchor is heavy duty, it's lightweight enough just to lift and throw in the water. And it has this really cool design where it's double-sided. It has these large retention teeth, so anytime that the boat drifts, it will flip and catch in any bottom surface. And when it comes time to haul it up, it's easy to lift, and then all you have to do is collapse it down and stow it away easily in the boat.
So this box anchor has really made things a lot easier. It's nice and easy to lift, it's lightweight, and it's easy to store away. And that is just my point of view.